Today I fixed this LCD monitor. What kind of problem I have is don't turn in, and what I have replaced, I replaced these lamps, yes, from another kind of monitor where is broken screen. Yes, but I have problem because this lamp is not so same type. This cover is different, and I can push in, and I get lamp out, how you see, and change this cover, and then put in. Yes, and now we can see our old monitor lamps, and this is old lamps. Yes, and I must cut this rubber because I can get out the lamp. How you see, I cut rubbers and fix it, and I have workable monitor without paying anything. See, it's work. Okay, thanks.